Today, we're diving into Fabric AI, a knowledge management tool that promises to streamline your workflow. But does it actually deliver on that promise? Let's take a closer look at what it can really do for you. Fabric AI aims to simplify how teams manage and share knowledge. It offers features like collaborative document editing, real-time updates, and integration with other tools, which sounds great on paper. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy for new users to get started. However, while it claims to enhance productivity, some aspects feel a bit vague. For instance, the specifics on how it handles data security and user permissions aren't as clear as they should be. This might raise some eyebrows for teams handling sensitive information. And while the collaborative features are promising, I found myself wondering how well it scales for larger teams or complex projects. Overall, it seems tailored for small to medium-sized teams looking for a centralized place to store and access information. But if you're working in a more expansive or fast-paced environment, you might want to dig deeper before committing. So, what are the upsides and downsides of Fabric AI? On the plus side, it's user-friendly with a clean design, making onboarding a breeze. The collaborative tools can boost team productivity, especially for smaller teams. On the flip side, there are some concerns. The lack of detailed information on data security could be a deal breaker for some organizations. Also, advanced features that larger teams might need seem limited. Pricing details are also somewhat unclear, which can leave potential users guessing about the actual investment required. If you're in a smaller team or just starting out, Fabric AI might be a good fit. But if you need robust features and security for larger operations, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Fabric AI has its merits, especially for smaller teams needing a straightforward knowledge management solution. However, if you prioritize advanced features and data security, it might be worth looking elsewhere. Overall, it's a decent tool, but make sure to assess your team's specific needs before diving in.